Hey tubers, this is Jerry again with another video. I want to show you what the wife has done to the side of my garage. Would you look at that? She thinks she's an artist, and I tend to agree. That looks kind of good.
Go down that way. Not really done yet.
No, it's not done yet, she says, but is anything ever done around here? My projects aren't, I know. I don't know what she's going to do to the door.
Paint it.
Well, I completed the gate to the new chicken run today. Tell me what you think about it. Got all the chicken wire on that end of the chicken run section. I think that's going to be all right. I got to put up some more fencing here. This is going to be the corner of the chicken run. I got to put up another piece of cattle fencing right here, and then from there up to there will be chicken fencing. I already got the cattle fencing out here, but I got to put the chicken fencing from the top of the cattle fencing up to the top of the canopy up there. Well, let's go in here and sit with the chickens a little bit, feed them some cracked corn. How y'all doing today? Hey girls. Of course, Judy's always the first one up here. Rue, Gertrude, Big Speedy. Hey Judy, Sunday, Little Speedy, Priscilla. Hey, Little Speedy. They shouldn't be too hungry. Deby's been out here feeding them all kind of little green stuff. Some variegated plants of some kind. was sitting out here yesterday feeding them some cracked corn. Judy was up on my knee here. I run out of cracked corn, so she started pulling my beard out. One little hair at a time. I think I got a bald spot on my cheek here, or on my jaw where she was pulling my beard out. Gertrude down here, she don't like to get too close to me because I'll pick her up. She don't like to be picked up. This is Princess. There's Rue over here, and little Speedy. Or, no, that's Big Speedy, I'm sorry. Here's Sunday over here. See if I can entice her to jump up here on my leg. What you doing? Hmm? Here, Rue. Ah! Trying to get Baker there. She's too fast for me. Tell you what, chickens have got the best eyesight of any animal that I know of. You can't sneak up on a chicken. Hey, Judy. How you doing? You want some cracked corn, huh? Yep, that's where the cracked corn is, Judy. In that bucket. Here, Rue. Everybody keeps telling me Rue's going to get mean one of these days. I hope not. I hate to put him in the pot. As muscular as he is, he probably wouldn't be good eating anyhow. Hey, Sunday. How you doing there, Sunday? This is Sunday. Here, Gertrude. Now, Gertrude don't like to be picked up. You don't have to pick Judy up. She's always jumping up on you. Yeah, I know. Here, Ruth. Francis. Speedy. You're falling off the leg, Gary. You better get another grip. I get down to the last few kernels of corn in my hand. Rue would just look at it and walk off. I ain't got a handful. He don't want to play with it. Watch this. Here, Rue. Here, Rue. See that? He said that ain't enough to fool with. But Judy will peck it to the very last little bitty piece. And then want some more. She's the smallest of all the hens, but she seems like she eats more than any of them. I know when I'm feeding them cracked corn here, she's always getting the most. There's one little piece there. There, you got it. I think that's probably about enough feeding the chickens the cracked corn today. Shit. Margaret Mead once told me, "You are absolutely unique, just like everyone else." I like that. Y'all have a wonderful day.